Poul's Kitchen is Chef Paul. With me today, Chef Alex.
Hello.
Amy is presently in the hospital right now, waiting for gallbladder surgery. And give me 1 second. Get away from that. And Chef Alejandro wants to be a little bit of a dick and go at Lilith. It is what it is. So I've got my what do you want to call it, food processor in here, and I've got 1 pack of fake crab meat. Now, if you can actually get real crab meat, go for it. It's much better, but it is what it is.
It's also a lot more pricey.
Yes, extremely. I've got half of a yellow bell pepper and a quarter of a white onion. So we're going to start with blending this now, and then we'll add some more stuff into it in a minute. It's actually a very easy recipe. It's not hard to make. Imitation crab is not bad. It's not nearly as good as the real thing, but the real thing is pretty pricey. Okay, just want to make sure you're pushing things down a little bit so you're getting everything. Sometimes you might just have to make 2 runs. I don't really want to, but I will if I have to. And mostly, it's good. So, just going to put some mustard in here. And I'm going to put some nutmeg. About a teaspoon of that. Then a teaspoon of allspice. Then some Cajun seasoning. And then a teaspoon of turmeric. Now, if you suffer with arthritis, have any pains, it's the best stuff to have. Literally load it with everything because it will actually help with that. Then I'm going to put some ground black pepper. This is like the best stuff you can have. It really is. And then, if I can find it, I'll use it. If I can't, then I'm just going to skip it. Normally, I might consider putting a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I don't want to open fresh one, so I'm just not going to bother with it. So you don't have to have it, but it can be good to have. Let's run this through the food processor one more time to help incorporate all this mustard, all the spice. Yeah, that looks good to me. This, ladies and gentlemen, why it's utterly, utterly important to have a food processor. It is the best thing on God's green earth because it will make things a whole lot easier for you. You could have taken some time and you could have cut everything up manually. But what's the point in that? It takes a lot more work. Right?
Yeah.
So we don't want to do that. Now, a lot of people will sit and say, breadcrumbs make life a whole lot easier. Sure they do. But breadcrumbs kind of suck. Because it's just adding a lot more garbage into it that you don't really need. Or want for that matter.
Just adding more carbs.
Yeah, and you don't want that. It's adding an egg, yes, will make things a little stiffer, but we're going to throw this into the freezer for a couple hours just so it becomes firmer. Then I'm going to put them in some bags. This pack didn't really make a whole lot, but it'll make a good dinner tonight, I guess, right?
I think so.
It looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're just going to stick this in the deep freeze. Now, you might only have to go maybe an hour, if that. But I'm going to put it in for a little while, and then I'll cook it up tonight, and we'll see what it looks like. But it's fresh. I don't have any nasty garbage in here. It's got some spice, some mustard, onion, and pepper. and crab. Yes, it's imitation meat, sumi. Still going to be good, and I think it's going to be refreshing, and that's a nice little taste difference. And when we come back, we'll take a look and see how this tastes later. So we'll be back. Please hit that like, share, subscribe. So we're back, and Alex is away. Amy's still in the hospital, and God only knows when she'll be allowed to come home, so I'm doing this by myself. So here are fish cakes, and they're nice and solid. They're pretty well formed. It's been a few hours, and they look pretty good, don't they? I mean, there's no breadcrumbs. There's nothing really bad in them. Just spice and the crab meat and whatever else I put in there. So it's really good. So I'm preheating the oven to 450 degrees, and we're going to bake this for 12 minutes. And so I got a pan here, and it's been oiled, and that's all we need for that. And the best part about this is we really don't need to have any special sauce made for it. Maybe a little bit of the lemon, and that should be good enough. But it's going to be really, really good, and it's going to be super healthy. It's going to be wonderful, and to me, this is what making cooking great again is. It's being able to take something like this and take something so simple as a container of artificial crab meat and turn this into something really wickedly awesome. Because crab meat's pretty cheap. It's not expensive, and it's easy to get. So, I mean, basically this, I'm going to make up some potatoes. I'm going to put them in the air fryer, and then I'm going to microwave some corn with it after. And it's going to be a great meal. It's going to be amazing. And I hope you guys like this. So, we'll see you when this is ready. And here's my crab cake meal. How's this look, guys? Just a little bit of lemon and lime on that. There's my potatoes and corn. It's going to be a great dinner. You can put a little ketchup on your potatoes if you want. I'm not going to, but you can. Hope you guys like it. Please hit the like, share, subscribe button. We really appreciate it, and you have a great day.